I missed that last little bit, but I'm getting piddle all over. Oh, jeez, come on. But I managed to get the last bolt out on the water pump. Actually ended up turning out to be a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be. So we're just draining out the rest of that. If I can get, what are you doing, camera? So I'm just draining out the rest of that water. Didn't get the old pump off. And you can see how much full of crap it is. I should be able to get to the rest of these from my top. I wasn't filming it because I didn't think it would work. But it did work. I was able to get a socket on it and I was able to get the bolt out. So anyway, let's crack one up top. So I didn't end up taking the radiator off. Just trying to work out now the other bolts involved to get the rest of it off. Let me grab a socket again. Alright, still draining. Let's get the rest of those bolts out. I'll grab the pump out, which I think should be really smooth. You can see what sort of shape the pump was in. Would that one be different? No, just couldn't get it on. Same length. Yep. That's that one. Now it's just the one holding in. I think that's a slightly bigger size. Yeah, that's loose though. So the end one is a thicker one. Yeah, much bigger. That is a 14. The others are 11s. I know the SAE. Anyway, there's any other bolts left in this thing. No. Grab the other one for reference again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one needs to come out. That's 11. Yeah, of course I'm going to drop it. Come on, come on. So it's 4 there. Drop one there. That one. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6. Your 7th. Oh, there you are. And you're out 7. Judging by that flow, I reckon it's about ready to pop off. Oh. Got better ideas. Probably going to need some persuasion. Bit of overkill persuasion, but anyway. There we go. Tiny little bit. Ooh. Oh. Oh, wow. Didn't hear it. Oh, God. And that's just all that aluminium is just totally gone. So that just, that was gone. Oh, jeez. Should I take the thermostat housing out? Wow. I haven't seen anything that bad in a very, very long time. And was there a gasket on it? Hang on. That just makes you laugh. Yeah. I didn't think there was a gasket on it. Or if there was. There's grease. Roll engine oil. I'm going to have to take you off the stand and show you this. It's pretty funny. Alright, hang on, give us a sec. So this is what it looks like in there. Now there's a fair bit of junk around. That remains of a gasket. There's nothing coming off. Let's have a look at the back side. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, there was. Same sort. Yeah, that's well and truly crustified. Look at that. That was a radiator hose. Interesting. Very interesting. Alright, let's go and match up the two. Make sure we can put things like the pulley on. I won't be reassembling this tonight. I've got to do a lot of scraping down and all that sort of wonderful stuff. But this was part 2 of water pump removal. And geez, that's just crusty. But what I think I might do as well in here is I might pull off the thermostat housing as well, which is that little. It feels like there's a thermostat in it. I might pull that off. Then I'll have to order some more gaskets and stuff for it as well. Figured may as well, while I'm here, I can clean all the corrosion out of that. So it doesn't actually look too bad. It's got a lot of surface stuff around it. It doesn't look like it's eaten into it too much. I might just pull that out and see what interesting little secrets hide behind it. Just gotta find the bloody socket that I dropped. I'm pretty sure it's that bigger one. Yep. What do I want to do here? I want to. Maybe I should. I will. We're up there. We go. I think I sprayed this down last time. So my main goal this afternoon, after marking around for a while, is get that bloody water pump out and happy now that it is. Okay. Come on. Yep. That's going. Another one. Still dripping out water. Those tote boxes are great for this. Need some leverage. The only one in there is too long. Might just let that try for a bit if we can't. Yeah, that's really tight, don't want to snap that off. So I will spray that down. Let that soak. Last thing I want to do, snap that bolt off, because that will be an absolute nightmare to get out. So it's still draining water. It doesn't look terribly bad inside, just that. And what I will do before I finish off part 2 is show you the two of them together. That's how the old one looks. Yeah. And this is the new one. So as you can see, it's a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, a lot less rusty. It doesn't have that horn broken off. It doesn't have the, see that is the bit that failed. That's the heater hose horn. That's what the heater hose goes to there. So I will be cleaning up part 3. I'll be, after it's all drained, after I get the stuff out, I'll be cleaning up all that surface. I'll be putting a bit of RTV on that in the gasket, and RTV on the other side, and then I'll proceed to put the little bludger back together. But what I did want to check, and I'm going to have to get a spacer for that, because I know there was a spacer there. Yeah. Just thinking, oh my god, I got the wrong one. No, I don't. That's just me being silly. So there is a spacer. Goes on like that. This goes on like that. I've got the spacer, and it gives you that clearance there. It's not spinning round because nothing's screwed in. But anyway, I went and got some more sandblasting stuff. Just want to sandblast all that back, get all the rust off it, and spray that black. And then I'll bolt all of that together, and I'll bolt all of this together, and then we should be having a running and driving car back again. Yes, anyway, on that note, it's time to put this back in its bag. And I just found my whole stash of keys. I need to go up and check on all my ignition barrels, which is going to be a fun time. Anyway, mission accomplished. Everyone was saying you can get around the balance, so it was just a bit of a pain in the ass. Yeah, job done.